Very good evening, everyone over here. The most honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Konidala Pawan Kalyan Garu. The most honorable Vice Chancellor of the greatest of all great universities, Andhra University, Professor G.P. Rajshekhar Garu. And all the great people gathered of great public representatives, faculty, deans, principals, and especially my dear students and the fans of, really it's electrifying. See, I don't want to take much of the time, but I would like to narrate few personal feelings which I had in these couple of days. Before that, sir, Andhra University, perhaps the only university, at least in India, is having a unique name, Andhra Vishwakala Parishad, ranging from arts, science and technology, law, humanities, and theater arts, performing arts, fine arts, dance, music, whatnot, including foreign language. So I am so fortunate to be on this stage. Great big thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor G.P. Rajshekhar Garu. Thank you so much, sir. Because I had already informed you. See, it's like my buy one, get one free. The day before yesterday, so the Professor, Honorable Vice Chancellor entrusted myself and Honorable Rector King Garu and Dr. Pallavi Garu to invite personally, and where I found how could be a power star. He's so simple and so humble, so down to earth. Because I'm also a great movie buff. I used to be a great fan of Rajinikanth because I studied some time in Tamil Nadu. But when Pawan Kalyan Garu was a young hero, so I really liked his style, early days. And so fortunate that Pawan Kalyan Garu, Guru Garu is my family friend, Satyanand Garu, sir. So several times I requested Satyanand Garu, see, can you, sir, is it okay a few minutes, sir? Oh, thank you so much, sir. Sir, please, can I get a chance ever to meet? Oh, no problem, Vijay, I'll take you. But, so several times I tried for a glimpse, but I spent more than half an hour with sir at, just a moment, let us share his greatness. Please listen to his greatness. So when we met, he's so humble, down to earth, and now I got the opportunity, perhaps the biggest moment in my life, sitting beside Power Star. Sir, this is going to be the year of retirement for me. It's such a coincidence that I am so fortunate. I'm still working in Andhra University, which is in its 100th year, and very soon on 26th, the foundation day, that's 100th day, years day, is going to get performed. And yeah, please. And I tell you, IPL season is on. IPL season is on. You know, the impact of impact player. So now, after the advent of impact player, the batting first teams are scoring 200 and beyond, 200, even 250. And chasing teams are very conveniently chasing those teams because of the impact player. Pawan Kalyan is such an impact player. And before getting onto the stage, a friendly chat with my good friend and honorable MLA of Anakapalli, Sundar Vijay Kumar Garu, I asked him, sir, Because this is day before yesterday, for the first time, I got the opportunity to speak to him. You regularly meet him. What is the best quality you found in him? He said, his commitment to the society. Great Sundar Pichai Kumar garu. And before winding up, the other day I've been invited to a college because there are majority of our students. See, well, I told you that I studied in Madras. Well, while watching a Tamil channel, the great Abdul Kalam was interviewed. See, the host asked him, "You are the missile man of the country. You went on to become the president of the country. But you are a self-made man because you started your life as a paper boy, but still you went on to become the president." You know what the great Abdul Kalam said? Who said, "I am self-made"? I am not self-made. As a matter of fact, no person on earth is self-made. My teachers taught me so well. That's how I became a good teacher and scientist. And I once again thank every one of you, especially the Honorable Vice Chancellor Garu, for providing wonderful opportunity. Yugandhar sir, Professor Yugandhar, Professor Asha Imanaras, Professor Pallavi, the core team, and all the principals, rector, register, thank you so much for making all these 3 events. There are multiple tasks. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.